request Sai Priyan to come to the stage for his solo performance. He's going to sing a song for us.
இந்த மாதிரி ப்ராடஜிலாம் நம்ம அடிக்கடி பார்க்க முடியாது. So I have been following this child from the last 2 years and is ரொம்ப வித்தியாசமாக பண்ணுறபடி இந்த மாதிரி we can never imagine. So can you please little bit slow down the voices and hear out to him.
Good evening everybody. I am Sai Priyan.
நல்லா பாடுங்க, நல்லா ஸ்பீடா பேசுங்க. I am going to sing a song.
I am going to sing a song. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Vama, vama, come and sing it. Queen Teddy, Vanda King, Daira, Daira, Pipi Dume, Malema, Tipo Golden Sparrow in Angela, Allo, Nida, Life Age, Umbasaro, Magdaza, Nona Payana, Hero, Singer, New Year to very yellow, Katla Katla Gold, Singer suit to the girl, Sangadi and Nake, even Ale, Netty, Mini, Getla Sutla Nini, Nickety Line, Venukulamone, Golden Sparrow, and Angela, Arrow, Nida, Life, Lumbasa, Allo, Marks, Dazzle, on a Payana, Hero, Singer, no yet, Tevelia, low, hey, 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 Amani, cute, company, Kanmani, unboard, Kadaran, Nile, Kadidame, Ponmani, one way to Soikema, Nan Soikame, Nenni Pakayel, Kavide Kotere, Adayadana Kayel, Vate Muttide, Wow, Kanmani, unboard, Kadaran, Nile, Kadidame, Ondana Kayam now, Nanane Adipo, Maya Menne, Punmane, and the cardle and the mendel, Simon, and then the tangi kul, and the medi, tangade, Sedene, and the cardle and the mendel, Solameng, Alge one day, one sogan on the takon, on in the pod one. Malagan in the day, Mariland Kolla, Irmani the Kadala, Adayantani Pudi the Mana day, Adilamie, Talat Samie, now done it Telima, Shivagamie, Shivaruni and Padie. Adamolak Puyama Shubalali Lali, Lali Lali, Shubalali Lali, oh, la la la, la 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 la, la 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 la, Kanmani, unboard Kadalan, Nile Kadidame. Thank you, Nandi. Dhanyavad.
Thank you very much. இவர் ப்ரீகேஜி படிக்கும்போது திருவள்ளுவர் வேஷம் போடுவது திருக்குறள் சொன்னார். Such a wonderful child and I want to thank her parent for giving an opportunity to teach this child. உண்மையாகவே சொல்லுவேன், prodigy children, they are great to have with. Thank you.
Thank you, Sai Priyan. I request you to stay back and collect your medal, please. That was cute singing. Parents, I request you to encourage a child, please.